everyone, welcome back to my channel. So today is a very special video for me as I am posting my first ever get ready with me session for this Rakshabandhan. So if you want to know how I achieved this look, keep on watching. Okay, so I have tied up my hair, and for the first step I'm going to use this Wet n Wild Photo Focus Primer, and this gives you a dewy texture, like it's very dewy. And if you are going for a party makeup, you should definitely try this one. I'm going to apply this. Okay, so I'm all done with the primer. Now for the second step, I'm going to use this foundation from L'Oreal Infallible, and I'm going to use this as my eyeshadow primer, the lid primer, and I'm going to take this. Okay, थोड़ा सा ज़्यादा आ गया था, but now I'm all sorted. So I'm going to use this one on my eyelid. If you don't have a concealer, you can apply a foundation, and if you have a eyeshadow or the lid primer, you can go for that also. Like, I'm just applying it as a base primer for my eyeshadows. Now I'm going to just set it with translucent powder from Blue Heaven. It's their S.F.R translucent powder, and just going to take a bit, okay, like this. Now for my eyes, I'm going to use this beautiful palette from Nika K. It's their Autumn Spice, and it have 9 shades. And if you don't want to invest this much money in a palette, I have a dupe and a better option for you. This is from S.F.R color, and you can go and check this brand on Amazon. And cuffsnlashes also sell this one, so I will put a purchase link in the description for this palette and this one also. I guess cuffsnlashes have all the S.F.R palettes, so they have amazing shades, so you can go and check them out. So okay, so I'm going to use this shade, this brownish orange neutral shade, for my transition, and I'm going to use this applicator, this eyeshadow fluffy applicator, and let's go. Okay, so I'm done with the transition shade. Now I'm going to use this brown over here, and I'm going to apply it over the lid. So I'm all done with the browns. Now I'm going to use this golden shade. Can you see the glitter and the sparkle? I am in love with this eyeshadow. Now I'm going to do this eye also, and I'll be back. I'm going to apply a very thin liner, and this is from the brand NY Bay. You can go for a cat eye, a winged liner, a bold liner, whichever you like, but I just want to do a thin liner because I'm going to apply lashes. If you don't want to apply lashes, you can go for a thick liner. Okay, so I am done with the liner. Now I'm going to fill my brows, and for that I'm using this Nika Ka Take brow filler, and this is in the shade dark brown, I guess. I'm just going to apply this. Okay, so I'm done with the eyebrows. Now it looks uneven, but don't you worry, I'm going to make it look even. I'm going to take a small amount of foundation or concealer on this brush, and I'm just going to make an arc and just conceal out the edges. The eyes are done. Now I'm going to apply a mascara, and for that I have this Nika Like It Long mascara, and it makes your lashes look really long. Like, if I'm saying really long, it means seriously it's amazing, and I'll show you how. Can you see the difference? I guess it's visible on the camera because I can seriously see the difference. It's a must-have mascaras right now. Now for my base makeup, I'm again using this L'Oreal Infallible and I'm going to apply evenly on my face. Okay, let's go. Okay, so now with the help of a beauty blender, I'm going to just blend my foundation well. So I got this blender from Amazon and they sell this for 89 rupees only, and I just tried it and it's nice. It's not that bad. You can go for it. If you're a beginner, you should definitely go and check this blender. This is really good. So I am done blending my foundation and I'm going to use this Blue Heaven translucent powder to set my foundation, and I'm going to bake it. So let's go for it. Not much, but yeah. Now I'm going to apply the lashes because that step just skipped. Anyway, so we are going to apply the lashes and I have applied the glue on the lashes. So let's wait for 5 to 10 seconds. Look how stunning it looks on me. So I'm just applying the same brown shade which I have applied on the center of my upper eyelid, and this was the shade. So I'm all done with the eyes. Now I'm just going to just make it look good. Now I'm going to take this golden shade with this brush and I'm just going to apply this here. Now for the highlighter, I'm going to use this palette from Sharon Cosmetics. It's their easy peasy eyeshadow and highlighter palette. They sell their products on Amazon, I guess, but they definitely have a page on Instagram. I got my products from Instagram, so I will mention the page name in my description box, so you can go and check them out. Now I'm going to use this Sugar mini lipstick in the shade Teak Mustique, and it's a beautiful mauve pink shade and I seriously love this shade. It feels like it's a kind of nude shade, but it's not. And before applying a sugar lipstick, you should apply a good lip balm because they make your lips dry, literally dry. I am done with the lipstick. Now it's time for the hairstyle, and as I promised you that it's a get ready with me, so I'm going to make my hairstyle in this video live because so many of you asked me ki, how do you make your hair look so gorgeous and so manageable. So let's make a hairstyle together. What I'm gonna do is I'm going to part my hair in two sections like this, and I'm just going to comb it. I'm going to comb the first section of my hair from here. Okay, like this. Now I'm going to make a section here like this, और मैंने ना इसे इस तरह से रैंडम कोई भी आप ना एक हेयर स्ट्रैंड निकाल सकते हो, कोई भी रैंडम हेयर स्ट्रैंड. Now I'm going to part this section in 3 sub-sections and I'm going to make a braid. So I'm done with the braid. Now I'm going to place it here underneath this section, and I'm just going to use this kind of cute clutcher pin, and that's it. And I'm going to make it look good. That's the trick. Now I'm going to do the same here. I'm just going to take a section and I'm going to pull out a random strand. I'm going to place it underneath this section and I'm going to clip it. Okay, so yeah, this is my hair trick for this Rakhi. Now if you want to make a bun, you can also make a bun in this hairstyle. So I'm just placing the bun here and I'm just tying up it with a rubber band, and yeah, that's it. Like this. Now you just have to pull extra hairs again and you are good to go. Ta-da! So as you all know, ethnic look is incomplete without bindi and accessories. So I have added a bindi and now I am wearing accessory. Like, I just love these earrings. So that's it for today's video. This is my Rakshabandhan's look. I hope you liked it and this session of Get Ready With Me. And before leaving this video, happy Rakshabandhan to you all. Keep loving me, keep supporting me, and just like, share and subscribe to this channel. Share this video with your friends and let them get ready with me for this Rakshabandhan. Bye-bye.